In this video, we'll look at how to use the Explore This with AI feature in SCiNiTo's search section. This feature helps you move beyond titles and abstracts and quickly understand the scientific context, relevance, and implications of a research article. After you've entered your keyword and the search results appear, you'll see an option called Explore This with AI on each article card. By clicking this option, you can immediately start an AI-powered exploration of that specific article. Once you click Explore This with AI, you are redirected to SCiNiTo's AI chat. At this point, the AI already knows which article you selected and uses it as the main source for analysis. At the top of the chat, you'll see Ask Me Anything, allowing you to ask questions in natural language. Below the chat input, SCiNiTo provides suggested tasks to help guide your analysis. For example, you can choose Deep Insight Analysis. This generates a comprehensive, structured analysis of the selected article, including key findings, methodology review, and research implications. Another option is methodology comparison. By selecting at least 2 sources, you can compare their research methods and study designs side by side. You can also use gap finding analysis to identify key research gaps, including methodological, technical, or knowledge gaps, with impact, urgency, and feasibility scoring. If you want a broader overview, you can select Literature Survey. This creates a focused review of related research, highlighting themes, approaches, key findings, and open research directions based on the selected article. In addition to suggested tasks, you can also use quick actions or ask your own custom questions in the chat. All interactions remain connected to the selected article, unless you choose to add more sources. That's all for this tutorial on using Explore This with AI in SCiNiTo. Try it yourself at SCiNiTo's website and understand research faster, evaluate relevance more confidently, and make better decisions early in your research process.